In this video, I'm going to show you how to place an order on Webull Desktop. Now, there's a bunch of different ways you can do this, so you could, of course, select any of these layouts. You could go ahead and create your own. I'm just going to use a custom layout over here, and I'm going to actually create a blank layout. And, of course, as I said, you could be using a normal one, day traders, whatever you want to do. To place an order, all you will need is a specific widget. So you can go to the blank layout here. I'm going to pop in a chart so I can see everything. And then here under widgets, if you don't know how to access them, click on add widgets in the top right. And then here you go to trade, and you want to open up the classic trade. This is going to open up the trading panel where you can basically place orders. So to do this, you can then just go ahead and select if you want to buy or sell, and then you can select your order type, the quantity, and then the prices, and then you can just, when you're logged in, click on either buy or sell. You also have an option which is called order entry over here, so of course you could click on a new order over here as well, and then you could go ahead and of course select which strategy you want to do, which symbol, which side, quantity, etc. And this is also an option for you. Okay, so you can either place an order here inside the trading tab or inside your order entry, and those are the two options you have. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.